Everyone thinks the best-selling electric scooter is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story's actually quite different.
Product number 1, Grenix Lightweight Scooter. First up is the Grenix Lightweight Scooter, priced at just $49.99. What caught my eye was its versatility. It's designed for kids, teens, and adults alike. If you want a scooter that promotes outdoor fun while being practical for school commutes, this is worth a serious look. This scooter has an adjustable handlebar height that ranges from 30 to 40.5 inches, accommodating riders from 3.9 to 6.6 feet tall. With a sturdy build that supports up to 240 pounds, it's perfect for both children and adults. The 8-inch wheels with advanced suspension provide a smooth ride over various terrains, ensuring comfort whether you're zipping around the park or commuting. Plus, the dual brake system, both hand and foot brakes, ensures your safety on busy streets. Honestly, this is crucial because you want reliable stopping power without worrying about accidents. Now, some people complained about the folding mechanism being a bit tricky at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it quickly becomes second nature. And for just under $50, it's hard to complain. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable and fun way to get around. Skip this one if you need something more high-tech or with electric features. For the price, it offers amazing value. Now, if the folding issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Aero Mobility A200. Next up is the Aero Mobility A200, priced at $83.99. What stood out to me are its light-up wheels, which are a fun touch while ensuring visibility. If you want a scooter that's not only stylish, but also practical for short commutes, this is a solid choice. This scooter is designed for ages 8 and up, supporting riders up to 220 pounds. It features 8-inch big PU wheels that are perfect for smooth rides on hard surfaces. The built-in shock absorption really helps with bumps, so you won't feel every little crack in the pavement. Plus, the dual braking system gives you that extra layer of safety, which is essential if you're navigating through traffic. However, some users mentioned that the deck can feel a bit narrow for larger feet. Product number 3, Aero Mobility A230L. Coming in at $119.99, we have the Aero Mobility A230L. The first thing that caught my attention was its hand-operated disc brake, which offers a higher level of control. If you want a premium feel and safety, this scooter is worth your time. This model can support riders up to 250 pounds, making it suitable for a wider range of adults and teens. The dual suspension system with a 9-inch front wheel significantly enhances the ride quality on uneven surfaces. It folds easily using a foot-operated mechanism, which is super convenient for storing or carrying. Plus, the wide deck allows for a comfortable stance during rides. That said, some users found the assembly process a bit confusing. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, it's a smooth ride from there. If you're not handy, you might need a buddy to help out. This is perfect for you if you prioritize safety and comfort in your rides. Skip this one if you need a scooter that's quicker to set up. For just under $120, it's worth the investment. Now, if you still want something more compact, wait until you see the next one. Product number 4, Natorq Scooter. Next is the Natorq Scooter, which comes in at a budget-friendly $49.99. What I liked about it is its sturdy construction and premium rear disc brake for safer stops. If safety is your main concern, this one should be high on your list. This scooter supports a maximum load of 240 pounds and features adjustable heights from 35 to 40 inches. The rear disc brake ensures quick stopping, which is crucial for those sudden stops. The shock absorption system makes for a smooth ride, even on bumpy terrain, which you'll appreciate if you like exploring different routes. Plus, it's designed to be lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry. Some users did mention that the folding mechanism can feel a bit flimsy, but honestly, for the price, it performs remarkably well. As long as you handle it with care, it should serve you well. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable scooter that you can take anywhere. Skip it if you need a heavy-duty model for rougher terrain. At this price, it's a fantastic option. All right, let's wrap it up with the final product,
From affordable options like the Grenix Lightweight and Restsuko Commuter to premium picks like the Aero Mobility A230L, you've got some solid choices for 2026. Each product serves different needs, so think about what matters most to you. Whether it's price, safety, or portability, there's a perfect electric scooter out there waiting for you.